Here we go. Welcome back to RGR Craft. We are kicking off the holiday season and running down bottle 1 of the Flaviar Whiskey Advent Calendar. This is bottle 1, bottled. Hopefully this will come out at the Alamo Distilling Company, San Antonio. And we're going to give this a shot. Obviously made in the USA, bottled at 41.5%. We're going to crack this 50 ml vial. Give it a nice caramel nose. I get just a touch of pear too. We're going to check the pour. Saving about 25 mils for the wife. Because what's really nice about this package this year versus years past, so there's a second Glencairn whiskey tasting glass that I think you guys will want to use. Now, we probably haven't gone over the nosing and what you do with general whiskeys. There are techniques to tasting whiskey that I think we'll have to break down in deeper instances, not here on the Advent calendar, but generally I like to aerate a little bit. There are some that will tell you, especially for some of the bigger bourbons, maybe some of the ryes, that you don't like to do that. But especially when I'm dealing with something that I don't know, when I'm tasting blind, I want to get a little aeration in it. I want to get that surface area broken down a bit. And I am going to taste this, of course, neat. In some bottles, I'm going to come back and I'm also going to taste that with a drop or 3 of water in it. So today, what we're looking at from San Antonio, that nose opens up a little bit with some air. And on the palate, you get a nice, clean, you get a little corn sweet, and you get a lot of caramel. There's something in the back here that I do really like. It is the fact that this is rye whiskey, but it's not the super spice. There are spicy notes, absolutely, but there's the vanilla and the caramel that comes with a lot of bourbons in America, especially the Irish, that you're going to get some influences here as well. That spice comes through now. It lingers on the palate, and as it's fading now, you can see the color just stays nice and clean. It's a beautiful dram, and I am going to enjoy the rest of this, but wanted to give you guys a fresh look at what is, as I opened the book to discover Sagamore, the rye whiskey. Apricot, I missed. Definitely got the vanilla and the spice, so pretty solid there. I do like the way that it came out and what I would call a burnished tone to it. Definitely along the lines that I like. So that is for you, Sagamore Rye, here, day 1 of the Flaviar Advent Calendar.